Hey, what's up guys? Christian over at Unfit Car Stereo. So, today we're doing a dention install on this car. Porsche 911 996 body style. So I'm going to try to put a microphone in here to use with the dention. I'm not sure how it's going to work out, but we're about to find out. Alright, so, young lady, little redhead, just saw her YouTube video and she said to pop these off and there's screws behind there. Honestly, I haven't worked on a 996 in so many years, it's ridiculous. Alright. So this is an Enfig PPT3. I recommend using a panel tool like this that is designed to not mar up surfaces. Oh, looks like mine didn't come out as planned. Alright, so that should just go right back in with the I wasn't planning on that happening. Alright, so let's separate. It's not the end of the world, so all you got to do is pop that back in when you pop it out. So now I'm going to grab PPT1. As you can tell, someone's already been on here. I didn't do that. I'm not saying I'm not going to make it worse, but these older cars, Porsche, this Porsche paint is not a, alrighty. Alright, let's, I'm doing this live because this is one of those installs things where, alright, so I'm going to use the PPT1 and I'm going to put it right here about 10 o'clock. Hopefully, if I push inward and outward. I'm not going to lie, I did not finish watching her video. Oh, there it goes. So grabbed it from the bottom. Now that it's out from the bottom and popped out, I'm going to grab a second panel tool and just pry it. Only because it's already out, I don't want it to pop back in. There you go. Wham bam. So now I am going to pull this out. Alright, so apparently there's a long, now I know why she said to use a magnet. I didn't watch the video, so I've been doing this a long time. I tend to watch videos and then try to figure it out myself. You know, she told me that there's 2 screws there and I'm going to start with that. Now let me get a long screwdriver, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. There's a nice little T20 Torx bit here. I'm assuming she said to get a magnet. She included a magnet in her how to. I'm assuming she said that because the screw would fall out. So what I'm going to use is a magnetizer. So what this is a little black. I think this is a Husky one. They're sold all types of things. Just put it in here and what it does is that adds magnetism to the bit. You know what? Let's just do it without it. Yeah, I see why. Because in here, there's no way you're keeping this bit on here. Honestly, even with the magnetized bit, will probably fall off. Alright, so I'm going to start off. And now I'm going to do it by hand here, only because by hand you can feel. Alright, so I'm going to compare the two now. Make sure they're the same length. To be honest, I don't know where I dropped the other one. There it goes. Alright, same screw, so you're safe to mix them. Now, hopefully, this is easy. Oh shit, I hope I didn't break nothing. Alright, so now we go back to her video. Alright, homegirl said I was good. I just wanted to double check because, like I said, I know I've never done. I mean, I've done the radio on this before, and I've done, I've taken out the radio before, but this I've never done. So she basically fought with it too. There you go. And like she said, the hazard light, how we're going to handle this one first. So we're just going to squeeze here. Go back. Hey now, what's up, girl? So just be very careful. Crap. Alright, so this is the point where I say all I have to do is get to this microphone. And that's that. You can follow her video. I'll link it down below. Honestly, I used it. I'll give her credit. But I'm just not in the mood to take this whole thing apart. Ah, fuck, I might have to. Alright guys, I'm back. So, this is not hard, but it's not easy either. So I'm going to show you how to take it out, but I already took it out. I got the microphone I needed out of it. This already came out. Getting the 3 plugs on the back of the cluster was a pain in the butt. So I'm just going to show you how to do it the easy way. All right. So just pull up right here. I don't remember how I did this before. Can I just pry up? All right, with a panel tool. Was it from here? There it goes. All right, just wiggle. Comes right out. That wasn't the hard part. Now, I'm just going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, so what I did right here was that clip was on hard, so what I did is I put my hand there and I pushed down to use my hand like as a lever, okay? So now, over here, there is one connector for the microphone. The microphone comes right out, okay? One little black 2-prong connector. I'll show that in a second. Now, there are 3 connectors for this cluster. Oh my God, that was a pain. But it's only because you can't see. If you take your time, I'm trying to do it for video, it's harder for video. Now, the flasher, if you look over here, this is the connector for it. And then in front of it, it separates, okay? So we're going to just put a plastic piece in there, and this will slide right out to the front, okay? Make sure to keep track of which side is top and which side is bottom, okay? Now, over here, all you're going to have to do is pry on that, and that pulls down, okay? So push that, and it pulls down. So now, I'm going to flip this around for you. You're not going to be able to flip this around when you do the thing, okay? So these are very easy connectors to get off once you see them. So basically, all it is they're down here, okay? So you have to push in on that green piece. You see the center? Okay? Now you can see that. So basically, to get them out, you have to push in here and then pull this up. Once this pulls up, it releases. You have 1, 2, and 3. They're all color matched. Do yourself a favor. Pull these straight out and take your time. I would recommend looking into the windshield and pulling them out, okay? Now, the microphone that I took out, to get it out, I actually had to take off these 2 screws. Can you see those? Yeah. So it's 1 screw over here and 1 screw over here. And then, if you look over here, you'll see these 2 clips. See that little black is in the middle of the silver? All right, let me just make sure I can catch it on the video. Yep. So when you pull out the cluster, these, well, you know what? Let me just see if I can show you that. Now, in order to get the microphone out of there, I had to remove the cluster from the rest of it. So there's 2 screws in here. Very, very, very long, unnecessarily long screws. Oh, look at that. You can't even see what I'm doing. All right, I'm not resetting this. Sorry, guys, but... So the screw was there, and then there'll be another one over here. Let me just separate these 2 pieces. Right, you see the other one? Okay. Now, when you take off this second screw, these old Porsches scare the hell out of me. They're just very, they're not delicate. All the painted surfaces on here suck. So everything that's painted easily scratches out. It's like the Phaeton. Phaeton's the same way. Phaeton, if you told me to run a microphone somewhere, I'll just tell you no. Because I had one guy come in here with one that was really beat up, and he didn't even care for it, which is such a shame. Nice guy, but he just bought the car because it was a big engine. Had no love for it. So that comes up. Now, if you look over here, those clips. Right, so you gotta push up on the clip gently, because if you push too much, you're gonna crack it in 2. And then once you do that, the whole thing comes right out. Wow, look at that. So I should do like a cluster removal video, microphone removal video. This is a nice little screenshot. This is what got all you guys here, isn't it? All right. So anyway, so that's that. The microphone holes right here. I'll show you. I'll come back and I'll put everything back together with the microphone in, and then I'll show you how it goes. All right, guys. Sorry for the crappy shot, but like I said, this is a. Hey guys, sorry for the bad angle, but I'm just running out of time. So this is the factory microphone we just took out. If you take out the microphone, it actually slides out. Let me just get over here. There's a little circuit board and it slides right out. See the little microphone at the bottom? All right. So I have a microphone that actually fits there. I use it for Mercedes, but And it works good in Mercedes, but I don't want to use it here because I could just use the housing, and then the housing would be better. So what I did was I ran our regular microphone that we use to build all our custom microphones, all right, wrapped in a little tape, cloth tape, and now all I'm going to do is just shove it in there. If you look at the other microphone, it was on the bottom, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this in and give it a little bit of a forward tilt. Okay. There you go. Nice little forward tilt. All right, now I put the screw back in. You guys didn't see that because the camera angle when I adjusted it for whatever I did last time completely killed it. Now the reason you cover it in tape is because you can't see it in there. Looks like whoever pulled this out last must have tried to pull it from the front or something. Because yeah, it's a little marred up. But, so, pop that bad boy back in, and now you have a factory style microphone with either aftermarket radio or your dention, whatever the heck you're doing. Anyway, I don't know what's happening with these videos. I don't know what I'm doing with these videos. This is the end of my Saturday. It's the end of the day. I'm about to get out of here. I haven't had lunch yet, and it's dinner time. So I am going to come back tomorrow and do a dention install. A radio install I'm probably not going to do because this is one of those cars where I feel like I'll have answers tomorrow, but I'm not going to do the install video. But look out the channel because, or if you don't see a radio installation video and you have this car and you need a radio, let me know. We'll be more than happy to give you free labor for the video. But anyway, nfitcarstereo.com. My name is Christian. If you have any questions, let me know. nfitcarstereo, thank you for watching.